Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Yamaha XMax scooter. This 300cc fuel-injected, liquid-cooled two-up scooter with automatic transmission just arrived with only 10,000 miles. It's got a nice big touring windscreen by Puig. It's got that beautiful Yamaha top case to carry your stuff. Come on by, make your two-up motor scooter dreams come true for just $49.99. This bike is in beautiful condition, matte black finish. Really cool. Come on by. We have financing. Oh, price is $54.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web. www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, it has ABS brakes too. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.